Would you care to join my following?
Ladies and gentlemen, the green pea and matzo ball and donut eating champion of the world. At night we jump on earth with a thump, 'cause our feet are tied to the 808 bump. Sound we like is Booker on the mic, so give him the stick and we'll party all night.
I'm the baddest man from the Badlands. Last man standing in the last stand. Big man filling fans, mic in my right hand, outstretched left hand, waving to the fans. Yes, folks, I'm at my local McDonald's, and we're back on this again. Banana and Sprite challenge, but this time we are using McDonald's Sprite. Ho, ho, ho. Oh my goodness. Don't touch that mouse. You're watching Badlandschugs. What's good now, and welcome back to Badlandschugs, and it's time to revisit my old friend. Oh my gosh, I got a few epic fails out there, and this is one of them, and it's time to revisit it, okay? We're gonna do the 2-liter Sprite and banana challenge, but this time I got extra bananas. I just got the whole banana off the tree, all right? This is more than 4. This might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 extra banana, okay? And man, we're about to do it. It is hot out here. It's 90 degrees. But yo, man, this Sprite that I have here is oh so cold. It is fridge cold. It is acidy, just like McDonald's Sprite is supposed to be, all right? So without further ado, we're gonna do this challenge. Let's peel the banana and let's eat them, all right? Let's go, folks. Oh, yes. La da 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 da.
This in itself is scary, all right? Grab banana. Ladies and gentlemen,
The last banana.
all right.
That's 5 bananas down, all right? Woo, I don't think anyone's ever eaten 5 bananas when doing this challenge, okay? And now, I still remember what happened the last time I did this. Oh my gosh, man, it was an epic fail. It went everywhere. Oh my goodness. I even stood in for the MGM lion. Oh man. Well, this time we're gonna revisit this and see if we can redeem ourselves, okay? We got 2 liters of McDonald's Sprite, okay? This is 1 liter. I have 1 more down there. And the reason why I'm doing 2 liters of McDonald's Sprite is because y'all wanted it, all right? I did the poll, left it up for a few days, and oh my gosh, McDonald's acidy Sprite wins, okay? So, I don't know if you can see this on film. This is fridge cold, and this is acidy. Can you see? Can you see the bubbles in this? This is not gonna be easy, all right? And plus I have another one down there that is just as cold. Oh my gosh. Well, we're here now, and it's time to do it, okay? So, enough talk. Let's take the top off. Oh man. I hope I don't throw up all over my car. That would not be a good look. All right? So, yo, it's time to do it. Let's take these off. 3, 2, 1. First leader. Oh, so, let's keep going. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Man. No burps. No burps. Oh, man. Ooh-wee. That was something else. Oh, my God. Ooh, my stomach. I feel it turning in my stomach. Oh. It's just the acid, the acidity of this Sprite. And look how cold it is. Oh my gosh. Well, I did it. I survived the McDonald's Sprite and 5 banana challenge. All right. With little baby burps, okay? So I can officially check this off my list. Oh man, so that's the chug, folks. Oh my goodness, yo, I'm gonna keep talking just in case, something happens, because it's just like churning up in my stomach. It's churning. Oh man, it's like the Sprite and the bananas is activating, all right? So, ooh, it's a tough one, but we did it, okay? So that's it, folks. That's the challenge, all right? Chugging the world, one bottle at a time. Badlandschugs is back. Whew, there it is. Don't touch that mouse, folks. It's your boy, Badlandschugs, and I am on Cameo, okay? You need a personalized shout out, maybe a happy birthday, maybe a happy anniversary, congratulations on the new job, the wedding, anything at all. And do you need it with a chug of your choice? You let me know what you want me to do, and I'll do it for you. 24-hour delivery is available, and if you want me to promote your business, book your boy. Cheers.